Hi everyone, I'm Asia Jones with AEJ Esthetics. This is Lash Retention Theory 101, where I show you how to increase the longevity of your lash extension sets. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and TikTok under @AEJ Esthetics with an underscore at the end.
The foundation to a long-lasting lash set is squeaky clean lashes. Make sure that those lashes are nice and clean before starting off. I like to pump some lash cleanser by AEJ Esthetics onto my client's eye directly, maybe like 2 to 3 pumps. I let it set for about 30 seconds before I go in with a brush. I either like to use a lash cleansing brush or a micro swab or even a lipstick applicator. Different movements that you can use is either going straight down the lash line to the ends of the lashes, to left to right, making sure you're getting all that lash cleanser on their lashes,